Listen, I'm only gonna say this once. If Nurse Rach Ed catches me with this phone, I'm case file 705. I swear it.
So keep it down and let me know if you hear her coming. Look at the end of the hall. See that frame? That's the infamous scream the one Ward 402 lore was made on. That's Mr. Gray's painting of his breakdown. They say when he came in, he was this ordinary guy. Bit quiet, a yes sir kind of guy.
Yes, sir. That's fine.
Mr. Perfect. But the quiet, it started to spread. First his voice went, then his skin. It started to turn this horrible beige color. Then even his shadow. Nurse Rach Ed didn't try to stop it. She wanted to see how far the beige would go.
That painting? She didn't give him a brush. She demanded, use your hands. Let the color soak through. Let the scream out, or I will let the beige take you completely. Look at the color of the throat. I don't think it's just paint. Wait, crap. Did you hear that? The squelch of those teal shoes. Ick, gives me the chills. She's on the floor. We have to.
A glitch in the feed, Nurse Miller. How appropriate. The gray man never did like being observed. He spent his whole life trying to be invisible after all. Don't let me catch you with that phone while on shift again, or you may just know what it feels like to be truly invisible. Why a first-year junior nurse is loitering in the North Wing without a debridement kit is the question. Nurse Miller. The Crimson Archive is for authorized staff only. If you have a professional interest in case file 0001, you can study it in the records room, on your own time. For now, report to Ward 402. There is a spill in the somatic unit that requires immediate attention. Now, move. Before I decide you are more useful as a specimen than a junior nurse.
The wild, the dark are too much of me. They plane the edges, they nail.
Hit that QR code to pick up your therapeutic art workbook and make sure you admit yourself to Ward 402. Subscribe before you go.
In the dark, I can hear the wood creak. The hinges are rusted, my voice is so weak.